Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude artifacts for SVG graphics and diagrams using the simple methods. This is a great way to turn a rough idea or a quick text description into sharp vector shapes, charts, and drawings inside a separate preview panel so you can make visual assets instantly without using any drawing software. Step 1. Turn on the separate display window inside your user settings. The first step is to open your personal profile menu inside your regular web browser and check that your separate display panel feature is switched on. Move your mouse pointer down to the lower left corner of the page, click on your profile name box, navigate straight into the Settings menu option, click the tab labeled Capabilities, and toggle the switch for artifacts to the on position. Look back at your main conversation dashboard to make sure a fresh, clean chat line box is waiting for your design request. Because if you do not toggle this capability helper on first, the system will just dump massive blocks of text code directly into your main conversation line. Activating this option tells your system to open a dedicated display window right beside your chat box rows, giving you a clean visual arena where your custom charts and vector drawings can load instantly without using any drawing software. Step 2. Type a clear text description of your target shape or chart. Move your typing marker into the empty message area. Write a clear description of your graphic, such as a flowchart with 3 connected boxes or a circular icon, and list your preferred layout style using simple words. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to submit your design idea, or drag and drop a rough pencil sketch file straight into the box to give the assistant a basic map to follow. Because the tool builds your custom drawing entirely from the clues you provide in your prompt. If you write a vague sentence, you will get a very plain shape. Listing your exact goals and label words up front allows the software engine to construct the correct blocks, arrows, and borders for your specific business project. Step 3. Click the interactive display options and adjust your design elements. The third step is to check your generated drawing inside the side panel and type specific adjustment requests to move lines or fix labels in real time. Move your mouse over to the right-hand preview panel, review how your chart looks on the screen canvas rows, and type a quick adjustment request like make the middle box bright blue and increase the text size so it is easier to read. Click the Code toggle button at the top row of your preview asset card to view the underlying structure lines, or use the Preview tab to watch your visual adjustments update flat against your view. Because it lets you fix design mistakes step by step without losing your past progress. Every time you submit a change request, the tool instantly updates the file, repositions the overlapping shapes, and refreshes your display view, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. And that's it. To use Claude artifacts for SVG graphics and diagrams, you first open your profile settings and turn your Artifacts panel feature to on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the message box to type a clear text description detailing your shapes and labels on your screen canvas rows. Then, you click between the preview and code views to type direct adjustment requests to fix layout lines instantly in place. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.